Hello guys, welcome to Daily Dose by Finity. Most experts believe that the best way to invest is to start investing early in life, right from the time you start earning. Here are some of the benefits of investing while you are still young. 1. Get the benefit of compounding. The simple meaning of compounding is multiplying your returns. It is especially beneficial for investors with a long-term investment horizon. 2. Availing taxation benefits. There are many tax-saving schemes or options available in the market that can help the young adults save significant tax as well as ensure that they meet their investment goals, like creating a retirement fund, investing in mutual funds while saving tax, etc. 3. Build a bigger corpus with small amounts. Investors can gradually build a huge corpus fund by starting their investments early, even by contributing to such funds on a monthly basis or yearly basis. This helps the investors in building a bigger base that helps in yielding higher returns for the investors. 4. Building a disciplined approach to investing. Starting the investments from an early stage in life ensures that the investors inculcate the habit of saving and effective financial planning to meet their investment goals. 5. Better choice of investment avenues. There are many investment options that can be accessed by young investors to increase their wealth and meet their financial objectives. Some of the popular options among young investors are mutual funds, fixed deposits, PPF, real estate, NPS. Hope these points help. For more tips like these, follow our YouTube channel and Instagram page. Happy investing!